What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to 2023. I'm a little late on making this year-end review, but better late than never, so let's get started. So I'm a little behind in the video department, especially this one, which is a 2022 year-end review slash thank you video. Sally and I were on vacation in Jamaica over the Christmas time and into the new year. We had an awesome time. The weather was amazing, and it was really nice just to get away from the cold for a week. But now I'm going to play some catch up here and bring you guys all up to speed. First and foremost, we'd like to thank everybody under the sun. And when I say we, I'm referring to myself, Sally, Marcus. We truly appreciate all of you guys, and we appreciate the Foxbody family slash community that we're building here. More specific, we'd like to thank all of our subscribers. Of course, without you guys, we wouldn't be here, and we wouldn't be continuing to grow slowly the way we have been. We'd like to thank both the interactive subscribers that constantly are commenting and joining us on the live streams, but we'd also like to acknowledge the silent subscribers that are there, but we just don't know who you are. We'd also like to thank our channel moderators. You guys do a great job. It's very helpful, probably more than what you realize, especially during our live streams when you're posting other channel links for us, or getting rid of some trolls when they come out to play. Special thanks to our channel members. It is truly appreciated and very humbling, and the support is so appreciated. So thank you to the channel members. We also want to give a few shout outs here, starting with all the Facebook groups that support our channel and allow us to drop in our video links. Shout out to PSP, Pulse Over Performance, and to Ernie, Tuned by Easy, for all the help throughout the year with the beasts. And lastly, it's a huge thank you to my family for all of their support and patience with this stuff. YouTube is very time consuming, and Sally is obviously a big part of the channel, in on the live streams. She does a lot of the recordings for me, so I certainly couldn't do this without them. So thank you, Sally. Thank you, Marcus. Love you guys. Now I'm going to recap the year the best I can, give you guys some channel performance, some fun stats, and highlight everything that got accomplished. This was year 2 for us on YouTube, and it was an extremely busy year. There was a lot of moving parts, and we started the year with 1,991 subscribers, and we finished the year with 3,884 subscribers. So we exactly doubled our subscriber count, which was awesome. Some of our bigger highlights for us started right in the spring with getting set up with a really nice tow rig. We ended up buying a 24-foot enclosed race trailer. Then we bought Vader, our black Dodge Ram, and those two together, they worked flawlessly. We're really happy with that setup and looking forward to using it in this year, 2023. Also added another hoist to the garage, which is the 2-post behind me. We already had a 4-post, which is now on the other side of the garage, and it's great for storage and all, but the 2-post is much better for mechanical purposes, and it also frees up another spot. So we're really happy with the garage setup and have maximized our space in here. We, of course, got the beast out to the track 3 times this year. Each time we went faster. Our first time out, we struggled and we went 1050s. Our second time out, we went 920s. And then our third time out, we went 875. So let's have a look at those passes. also introduced Marcus's Golf R build to the channel. And I know it's not Mustang specific, but of course we want to support our son's build. And I'll tell you what, guys, it's a fun little car, and it's an impressive little car. We also got it out to the track on 2 occasions, and the first time out he ran a 12:30 in street trim, and then the second time out he ran 12 O's, and this year he's going to crack an 11 for sure. Let's have a look at his 2 passes from last year. Last year, we unfortunately lost a Foxbody brother with the passing of Paulo Silva. Not only was he a super nice guy, he was a friend, father, Foxbody influencer. His vert, aka Eruption, was very well known on social media. But more importantly, Paulo is greatly missed but not forgotten. One of our favorite events that we made it out to was the Toronto Foxbody Club season finale meet. What an amazing show, highly organized. So many beautiful fox bodies everywhere you looked. It's obvious that our Foxbody community family is really strong in Toronto, and seems to be growing more so. Shout out to the Toronto Foxbody Club for supporting our channel, and we look forward to this year's season finale and covering it. Let's have a look at a little bit of footage.
Mikey's car sounded good there.
You're recording that way, I'm recording this way.
I'm not recording.
You're taking a picture?
One of the items that was on our back burner that we finally got in check was our merchandise. In November, we finally launched our merch store, and we're super happy with it, and we're looking forward to just continuing to expand it and launch some new designs in 2023. Sally has added her own tradition to the channel now by creating those DaFox Christmas home tours. She has a lot of fun doing them. She does a great job, and they just keep getting better. No better way of closing out the year being on vacation in Montego Bay, Jamaica, where we celebrated New Year's.
All right, so everybody, look at this is our entertainment manager. Come on, put your hands together one time for Vanessa.
All right, to wrap things up, 2022 was a crazy busy year, and I totally forgot to mention that we did hurt the motor in the Beast, but that's okay. Everything happens for a reason, and we're going to sort that out and figure out where we're going to go with that. we're definitely gonna make some changes and some additions to the channel. One being, I like to add a little bit more Cobra content to it. Didn't really focus much on our Termi this year, and there's a few things that I'd like to do to it. We're gonna keep going with Marcus's Golf R build, and hopefully he's going to crack into the 11s this year. At this point, our goal is to pump out quality versus quantity. So we're going to try our best to maintain our one video, one live stream per week, and all the little short videos added in. That being said, we thank you all for everything in 2022. We're looking forward to a great year ahead. We wish you and your families all the best in 2023, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.